Take a ride in the 2019 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, dual rear wheels, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, backup camera, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.